Come with me as I tried the famous Malaysian satay and chicken wings on Jalan Alor, which is a mile-long strip of nothing but restaurants, all sat out on the street, hustle and bustle, street vendors, people cooking squid as you walk by. They've got it all here. This really is the most lively area in the whole of Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. If you haven't eaten here before, you really need to check it out. We're heading to the famous Jalan Alor food street. It's located in the centre of Bukit Bintang, which is the famous hustle and bustle nighttime place where you've got the bars, the restaurants, and just everything's going on. Just landed in KL. I'm absolutely starving. It's really late at night. It's like 10, 11 o'clock in the evening. Actually Christmas Eve, so it'll be Christmas Eve in about 20 minutes. All the restaurants are shutting at sort of 10 o'clock that I was seeing locally, and all the good ones nearby. But I've had a look at where the street food is and where all these hawker stalls are. As you can see behind me, pretty crazy street. I'm on Jalan Alor. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. But I have gone for a load of satay, some wings and some greens. So it looks really good. It's a mega lively street and really busy. Lots of restaurants, lots of little stalls all along this outdoor, real vibrant area. So if you're struggling to think where to eat, you can't quite pick somewhere, come down here and they've got everything to choose from. Okay, so let's give these satay a go. That's it off. I actually think I've had a satay the whole time I've been here, so I'll deserve this. Oh yeah. Wings just been delivered, just in time. And whilst you're here, you also need to try the famous Durian Fruit. Smells a little bit weird. Some people say it smells like a dead body. Let me know in the comments, have you tried it before? Let's go check it out. And after you've eaten, why not go to Bukit Bintang? That is the place where all the pubs are, all the bars are, every single building, all in a row for sort of a mile long. What more could you want? You cannot come to Jalan Alor without getting at least a satay or the chicken wings. I've walked up and down here twice now, looking for somewhere different, but I've ended up going back to the same place I ate the other night, just because the wings and the satay was unbelievable. I saw a few of the other places, and it just wasn't hitting the spot. Oh, I've got a friend. Some fish, 250 gram of fish, cooked in banana leaf, which is a speciality that we have here. Got the wings, got a little bit of greens again, cooked in garlic. So very similar to what I had the other night, but it was so good, I had to have it before I leave KL. I hope you've enjoyed this video on Malaysia, guys. I'll be making many more on the different types of foods, what to see in my favourite cities in this unique country. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.